Good morning, student. I hope you are fine in this wonderful morning. So, in last class, we discussed about thermoplastic and came to know that those plastic which soften on heating and can be remolded many times are known as thermoplastics. So, student, despite of lot of advantages, the thermoplastics has few disadvantages also. So now we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of thermoplastic. So we will see on board what is written on it. So we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of thermoplastic based on its property. So its first property is recycling. You can see what is written, recycling. Its first property. So based on recycling, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of thermoplastic. So what is the first advantage? That it can be molded. Molded means can be changed. We have discussed this one in last class. It can be molded multiple times. That it means that when we supply heat to thermoplastic, it becomes soft on heatings and its shapes can be changed multiple times for different use and for different purposes. This was the first advantage of thermoplastic. Now its disadvantage. We have studied, we have listened, we have read that it has advantage and disadvantages also. So we will now discuss about its disadvantage. Its disadvantage is that it is very costly. The thermoplastic is very costly, means that it is out of reach of the common man, not easily available. That's why it is very costly. It is not very costly only. It causes respiratory problems. It causes respiratory problems. So what are the disadvantages? It is very costly, out of reach of the common people, not easily available. Not only it is costly, but it causes respiratory problems to we human beings. The respiratory problems like diseases like asthma and tuberculosis. So it has disadvantage that it is very costly and causes us diseases like tuberculosis and asthma. Now our second point, our second property is that it is durability. Based on durability, we will discuss the advantage and disadvantage of thermoplastic. So based on durability, its advantage is that it is long life. Long life means to say that it longs last, means that we can use it for long time. It was its advantage based on durability, that it is long life, we can use it for longer times and it lasts for long. Its disadvantage is that it will remain in environment for long time. The thermoplastic disadvantage is that it remains when we use it, and after using, when we throw it in garbage, it remain in environment for long time. Means to say that it is non-biodegradable, not easily decomposable by microorganisms like bacteria. It is not easily decomposable. Thus, it remain in environment for long time and causes pollution and spread diseases to plant, animal and human beings also. So it remains for environment for long time and causes pollution and lead to diseases, many harmful diseases which affect plant, animal and human beings. Its third point is that it resistance to chemicals. Its third property is that it is resistance to chemical. Resistance means less reactant to chemical or no reactant to chemical, means it do not react to chemicals. That its advantage is that it is used for making different containers. Based on its property that it do not react to chemicals, it is used for making different containers. Containers like water bottles, buckets, toys, etc. etc. So based on its property, it's used for making different containers. Now its Disadvantage is that it's remain unchanged if it is not used. So student, its disadvantage is that when we use use such kind of material, and after using, when we throw it, it remain in environment for long time and not easily decomposable by microorganisms like bacteria, viruses and fungi, and causes pollution to the environment and lead to very harmful diseases many harmful diseases to plant, animals and human beings. So these were the property of thermoplastic, advantage and disadvantage of thermoplastic. So student, till now we have studied about the disadvantage and advantages of thermoplastic. Now we will discuss the properties of plastics. What are the properties of plastic? So see what is written on board. Plastics are material of choice. Plastics are material of choice. Means to say that plastics are material of choice. Due to plastics makes our life convenient and smoother in our day-to-day life. So plastics are the materials of choice. In this properties, we will see our first point is non-biodegradable. So what does non-biodegradable mean? Non-biodegradable means it is not decomposed by microorganisms. Means to say that when we use plastics and when we throw it, it remains in environment for long time and it is not decomposed by microorganisms and causes pollution in environment and leads to many diseases which affect plant, animals and human beings. So its first point is that it is not decomposed by microorganisms. It is resistant to insect, fungi and thus last long. Means to say that it is not affected by insects, fungi and thus it lasts long. It is not destroyed by such insect, fungi, that's why it lasts long. Our second property is that non-conductivity of electricity. Non-conductivity of electricity. You might have heard this word before, but we will understand it. What does non-conductivity means? Non-conductivity of electricity means electricity cannot pass through it. Electricity cannot pass through it. Means to say that electricity cannot flow through it. They are shock-proof. Shock-proof means when we touch it with our naked hand, we do not get shock. Due to this property, they are used for making covering of electrical wires. You might have seen in your home wires. The different colors of wires, they are made up of, due to this property, they are made up of thermoplastic. So they are shock-proof and that's why the wires cover are made up of thermoplastics. Handles of electrical appliance are also made by thermoplastic. Due to non-conductivity, thermoplastics are used for making handles of electric appliance as well as covering of wires also. You might have seen iron in your home. Their handles are made up of thermoplastics. Its third property is that non-conductivity of heat. Means to say that heat cannot flow through it. Means to say that heat cannot pass through it. Our third point is non-conductivity of heat. Non-conductivity of heat means to say that the heat cannot pass through it. Due to this property, it is used for making kitchen utensils and heating pans also. So due to this property that the heat cannot flow through it, it is used for making kitchen utensils as well as heating pans also. Its fourth property is lightweight and durable. Lightweight means to say that easy to carry, and durable means to say that it lasts for long. So lightweight and durable, this is its fourth property. Used for making bucket, mug, crockeries, to store and to carry things. Due to this property, lightweight and durable means to say that easy to carry and it lasts for long. Due to this property, it is used for making bucket, mug, crockeries, and it can be used for carrying different items for long times. So its fourth property is lightweight and durable. Its fifth property is reactivity. Reactivity means to say that reacting nature. Unaffected by most of the chemicals. It do not react to chemicals. Due to this property, it is best for storing foods like spices and pulses and different material. It is used due to reactivity, due to not reacting to chemicals. It is best for storing pulses and spices and other materials. Its fifth property is plastics are cheaper than metals. Students, as we have discussed earlier that with the help of plastics, we make our life convenient and smoother. Plastics are easily available to common man. That's why plastics are cheaper than metal. That's why we use plastics are easily available. That's why we use plastic instead of metal. So these were the properties of plastics.